Hi James, it's Erica from Tameron Honda. I just wanted to take a second to introduce myself and thank you so much for the opportunity to earn your business on my 2018 Honda CRV. Give me a call whenever you can at 205-541-6690. Just let me know what day and time you can make it by the dealership this week. I'll go ahead and have that CRV pulled around to the front, gas set ready for you now to take it out for a spin, and I'll be sure to make this the easiest car buying experience you've ever had. Again, James, I'm Erica. Absolutely cannot wait to meet you, and when you get to Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.